Here's a part that I've had for quite a while. This is from Sam, Elevators of Lake County. This is an OTIS directional lantern. It's brass. It's pretty dirty. I've already taken all of the whatever those bracket things are called off. So these actually just pop right out. But I plan on restoring the panel, and then I want to make it so that it lights up and a bell rings. But I don't have a back box for this, so I'm going to make one out of cardboard. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll see if this project is even successful. But right now, I'm going to clean it up, and then we'll get to wiring and then making a back box and hoping this all turns out nice. Yeah, it doesn't get really much better than that. You can't even really tell the difference. Yeah, that does not look much better. It honestly pretty much looks the same as it did before. This metal, this brass is so old and damaged that it just doesn't clean up very well. Like these stains right here, these are permanent. I was scrubbing at these for a long time and nothing was happening. But I'm gonna get this thing back together. I'm gonna add this green filter from one of my Westinghouse lanterns onto the back of here so that it lights up green. This one already has red on the back, so I don't have to worry about that. And then we'll get started on wiring. Okay, so there's the lantern put back together. I have this. I drilled some holes on the, or I'm going to drill some holes on the corner with those black dots so that I can place this right here. And then here is cardboard that I'll be using for the back box. It'll fit right around the lights, and then I'm gonna make like a little divider, kind of like, you guys probably haven't seen the inside of an Innovation lantern, but they have a little strip of metal here and double lights, so there's one sticking out of each side, and this acts as the divider so that, you know, the light doesn't shine on both up and down. So that's gonna go right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go drill the holes in these. Okay, so there's the holes drilled out. Let's go put it in the lantern. Here's a little box thing. It goes like that. And right here is the light. And that just slides right in there, just like that. So while I may not have a 3D printer, I am making use of the stuff I got. I'm going to be using these little momentary push buttons that I got from Amazon. I'm going to just put 2 holes on the top of here so that when you push them, the corresponding lights up. Alright, there's the buttons in there. The bulbs. Yep, so now it's time to wire it. Alright, so I got my little back box in here. There's the red filter and the green filter. Just test it out. There's up. And there's down. Yep, I'm gonna wire them to the buttons and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright, the wiring is complete. I'm just gonna make a little cover for this. Alright, here's the final product. Box all put together. Little stand down there. Buttons up here. That looks really nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of this random project I decided to do. This was just a little idea I had in my head, and I had nothing else going on, so I was like, well, let me see if I can make this into something nice. So yeah, I really like the way this turned out. And I hope you guys do too. See you guys in the next one.